Hi everyone! I just wanted to show you a little tutorial on how I add glue to my pieces to tack them down for stitching. So here I'm using a popsicle stick and Aleene's tacky glue. Try not to get any globs because they might show through to the front. I just got this from one of my friends, one of my quilting friends. She gave me this. It's a precision tip applicator bottle. So you just get a little tiny bit of glue, a little strip, and you don't get any globs, and it works super well. And all it's in it is Elmer's white glue. So it's better for if you make a mistake and you want to take a piece of fabric off. It's much easier to remove with just a tiny bit of glue, so I really like it. And you can see that I have those pins. The pins are I have a canvas background where my design is drawn, and then I have a piece of, I think it's 1-inch styrofoam that you can get, and I just have tacked the canvas onto that and then use the pins right into the styrofoam. So it's a great base to put your pins into and remove them later. So I'm almost finished this section. This is going to be a night sky, night winter sky. So I wanted to remove the pins so that I could use them somewhere else. I ran out of pins. So anyway, I hope everyone is having a great new year, and I'll see you again soon.